In a sunlit kitchen, a chipped ceramic mug becomes a tiny seed starter for a fresh herb garden. A faded outdoor chair is revived with chalk paint and a straightforward weatherproof seal. A rain-damaged window screen is transformed into a vertical planter for climbing herbs and bright blooms. A thrifted lantern gains a new glass insert and a small solar light for a warm glow after sunset. These 5 practical fixes prove everyday creativity can turn simple materials into charming, useful home decor.